The character Winnie the Pooh first appeared in A.Milne's 1924 book of poetry, When We Were Very Young, which was accompanied by drawings by Ernest H. In that poem, the bear was named Edward. The following year, Milne and Shepard collaborated on a short story featuring the bear, which now bore the name Winnie the Pooh. Where did the name come from? Well, the name Winnie comes from a bear named Winnie that Milne and his son Christopher visited in the London Zoo. The other half of his name, Pooh, comes from the name given to a swan that Christopher and his father saw on a vacation in West Sussex, England. In all, Milne and Shepard created just 4 books about Pooh and company, but those books and those characters are now considered to be in the pantheon of children's literature. After Milne's death in 1956, the film rights to his characters were sold to Disney, which in 1966 released the first of many films featuring Pooh and the 100-Acre Wood cast. Disney, feeling the original stories and characters felt too British, gave their version the Disney touch, and Shepard, who lived long enough to see the first Disney feature with Pooh, described it as a complete travesty. Differences in the two styles can be seen particularly in the characters' expressions or lack thereof. E.H. Shepard rarely gave the characters any real facial expression, choosing instead to suggest it through the characters' posture, whereas the Disney version of Pooh and friends sport very expressive faces, like many other Disney characters. Just something to look for. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, to learn how to draw the original and Disney version of Pooh Bear and hundreds of other lessons.